Today we're going to talk about thrusting toys. For those of you who've never tried a thrusting toy is basically what it says on the tin. It's a toy that thrusts. It replicates the sensations that you get during penetrative sex with your lover. As a pleasure device connoisseur, I can tell you that a good thrusting toy, like a good dick, it's hard to find. There are a lot of brands that put them out, but I really feel like they're quite tricky to get right, because as much as brands try to replicate the in and out motion, sometimes it's too mechanical, too jackhammery. Like, it feels like you are entertaining C3PO. It's just not giving the loud whirring sounds, as much as, yes, sex toys are machines, you don't want to feel like you are engaging with a machine to like that extent. And the whole jackhammer sensation really gives. Have you ever had an encounter with like an overexcited lover who is just happy to be there? He was happy that he was invited to the cookout, but like there's zero finesse, zero skill to what he's doing. It's just very F for failure. So like I said, they can be one of the hardest toys to find, but when you find a good one, oh bitch, it is one of the best things to have in your arsenal. Though it's touted as one of the main forms of sex, like the star of the show, penetrative sex can be difficult to enjoy for a lot of people, especially people with vulvas. Not that you won't enjoy the sensation, but being able to reach completion from penetrative sex can be a bit very orgasm gap. While a good penetrative sex technique can differ from person to person, there are always like a set of base rules that they follow in order to make it good, which are considered motion paired with a consistent rhythm. And this consistent rhythm is struck against the most enjoyable part of your erogenous zone that you have down there, like specifically you, because we don't all enjoy the same types. And where this method excels is when the considered motion and consistent rhythm struck against the right point for you is done until it builds and you reach the apex. So a good thrusting toy will replicate those base rules. The bonus of having the thruster that does this is that when you're ascending to your peak and you're like, oh, yes, like right there, this is great, it's not going to speed up or change the rhythm or try to do some new technique and just throw everything off, especially for people with vulvas. When you are building to that place where you're going to come, and it takes so long sometimes to get to that place, and then something throws it off, it's like you have to start right at the beginning. Like, you can't pick up where you left off for most people. I know I can't. Or sometimes you were so close and the orgasm was so ruined that you just never get it back again. So the fact that these toys, obviously they stay in the pattern that you set them, it's not going to fuck up your orgasm. Don't we love things that don't fuck up our orgasms? Yes! With all that said, I am very excited to introduce a thruster to you guys that will make you climax so hard that you will go night-night. From one of my favorite luxury toy brands, LELO. Introducing the new LELO INA Thrust, a dual action rabbit massager that combines thrusting G-spot action and vibrating clitoral stimulation to induce blended orgasms that will have y'all weak in the knees. And girl, don't stand up. Hello, get down. LELO are the brand that are behind my all-time favorite rabbit vibrator, the LELO Soraya Wave. You guys have definitely heard me harp on about this for years. So when I tell you that I was so hyped to try a thruster from them, oh girl. And when I say hype, like, I mean I took this shit on a job with me to Mallorca, knowing that it was going to get flagged in my carry-on. Did it? Yes. Yes, it did. Did I have shame? No. The man really like pulled over my suitcase. He was like, hey, what is this, honey? And I was like, it's a very high-tech fancy pleasure device. And he was like, that's so cute. Go through it. And I was like, thank you, Mr. Airport Man. What makes this thruster special is the incorporation of LELO's dynamic thrust technology that is designed to mimic natural rhythm for sensations that feel more intentional and realistic. And I'd just like to state for the record, minimal mechanical whirring. That is very important to me. I hate the sounds of whirring toys. So the LELO INA Thrust has a dual stimulation design, dynamic thrust technology, their smooth rise technology, which I spoke about in the Sona 3 cruise. But basically the smooth rise technology is when you amp up the intensity of your toy, but it doesn't do that zoop, 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 that little skip. It's very like luxury. It has 16 vibration intensities, 10 vibrational patterns altogether, with 8 of them being manual ones that you can get when you use the toy, and the other 2 are bonus ones that you get when you pair it with the LELO app. The app control function also comes with new app exclusive thrusting modes. It has an insertable length of 4.3 inches, a 5-button interface, it's USB rechargeable, charging for up to 2 hours, and it gives you up to 2 hours of use with a 90-day standby time. It's 100% waterproof, made of body safe silicone. It says that it's under 63 decibels, which we can test right now. Here's my decibel meter. On the lowest setting it reads about 34 decibels, and on the top speed it reads about 47 decibels. So after conducting the test, yes, it is under 63 decibels. The LELO INA Thrust also comes with a 2-year warranty and a 10-year quality guarantee, and is available in Purple Twilight, which you see here, and black. In the box, along with your INA Thrust, you get your USB charging cable, a satin storage pouch, your warranty registration card, instruction manual, and they're currently running a competition to win a LELO INAs. To turn it on, press the central button once, and to turn it off you're going to press and hold it. The central button will also help you cycle through the functions of the INA Thrust. The horizontal buttons control the speed of the thruster, and the vertical buttons control the intensity of the clitoral stimulator. This is setting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And press and hold to turn it off. Now I'm going to take you through the bonus settings on the LELO app. So as you can see, I have the INA Thrust connected already. I'm going to press play and then go to play here, and it asks me to press and hold the button until it starts to blink. And the app is connected. There are different ways to play. You can use the screwing motion, which is where you twist it, the shaking motion where you shake it to control the toy, the swiping motion where you run your fingers along it, and the manual setting, which follows the standard LELO interface, and the motors and modes are found down here. And you can find all of those in the regular mode setting, and then the advanced mode gives you the finish me off settings and the outer control settings, which I will now demonstrate. So I'm going to press start. And now we'll try the out of control setting. When testing the INA Thrust, what I enjoyed about it was the bulbous curve of the insertable part of the toy, because upon thrusting it's kind of automatically designed to give you that kind of come hither motion that will move against your G-spot without you having to try and figure out how to get it to move against your G-spot. And the clitoral vibration arm is very flexible, which is something that I feel is really useful when using any rabbit vibrators, because obviously all of our anatomies are different. The space between where your clitoris is and your vaginal opening is may be different to other people's, so you may need to adjust it. And when you have toys that don't really adjust, it doesn't allow you to get the full use of the toy, which can be really annoying and like ruin the experience. So I'm glad that was included. Noise level wise, It is one of the more quieter thrusters that I've used, especially once inserted, like you don't hear it. Love that for us. Also, the fact that the thruster is part of a rabbit vibrator design will make it great for people who enjoy penetrative sex but then aren't necessarily able to climax that way. The fact that it has the clitoral stimulation with it makes it a lot easier for you to reach completion. This is something that, if you haven't used rabbit vibrators before, it's called a blended orgasm. Blended orgasms are when two or more parts of your body are being stimulated, and then it amps up the orgasm that you're going to have at the end and makes it more powerful. In terms of ease of use, this is a toy that I would recommend for intermediate to advanced users, because it wasn't something that I immediately got right away, and I have tested a lot of sex toys. If you've seen my shelves. As far as the buttons go, it is very easy to control once you understand what you're doing. When using it, I had to experiment with the speed of the thruster, the settings on the clitoral stimulator, until I found which one I felt was best. You guys know me, I'm just a simple woman. I was very much a setting number one babe on this. Like, just go up and down and you just vibrate constantly. And I found that using the clitoral stimulator near a very high setting, and then the shaft movements being like on a medium to high speed, worked better for me. Once I figured that out, then it was a matter of what position did I find most enjoyable being in, which I ended up finding I really enjoyed using it while laying on my front, and also what angle was best as well. I found a way for it to hit my G-spot just right, and then just kind of locked it between my thighs and went to town. The thrusting wasn't overpowering, but it felt nice. It starts to build and the feeling starts to bloom like a flower. It started to feel very euphoric. The orgasm was embarrassing. It was embarrassing, and when I say embarrassing, that's not derogatory, that is a compliment. It's embarrassing in the way, you ever had an orgasm that struck you so hard that you start behaving like a fish out of water when it hits you, like very untoward, very unladylike, so fucking unserious. And also, every time I finished with this type, bitch, I went to sleep dead to the world. This thing is still I am not my proudest moments, but a great product. I even tried to do it once in the middle of the day. Girl, I still fell asleep. If today drained me was a sex toy, it's the LELO INA Thrust. It just pulls so much out of you. Like, I'm ashamed of myself. I'm not ashamed. I love it. So that is all from me on this spectacular device. If you would like to get your very own LELO INA Thrust, you can visit lelo.com and use my discount code. Yes, bitch, money off. You can use my stackable discount code, meaning you can use it with any other like discounts that they have going on at the time. Scotty Thrust. I will put all of the information below under this video, so all you need to do is literally type Scotty Thrust in at checkout and you get an extra 20% off of any LELO products that you purchase. I hope if you do purchase it, you let me know how it is. Thank you so much to LELO for sponsoring this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe and share it with your friends and all the other good stuff. Until next time, my beautiful unicorns of sunshine and wonderment. Bye.